Hey guys, a lot of people have been asking me what vision is and asking in the Facebook group and on the Discord what vision is. And I told everybody that I would be making a video for you guys explaining what vision is, what it does, what comes with it. So if you're curious, watch through this video and we'll go over everything and give you answers to all these questions. My name is Dylan. I'm a co-creator of Vision, so let's get into it. Right here on the chart, you see Vision. If we take Vision off the screen, it'll just look like a normal chart. Okay, so once we add vision back to it, you can see the difference, right? It tells you the best entry and exit points, which also tells you the take profit points for the entries on the long position or a short position. So you can see the bull signals. It'd be this blue signal for a Momo bull, which is a momentum buy. And you got the green bull signals here, which is an entry point for a long position. And then above the candles, you have take profit signals, which is signifying that it's probably a good spot to take some profit, if not all. That choice is going to be up to you, whether you take some or all profit. And the take profit signals will also be below the candles. Those are for the bearish signals. So the bearish signals obviously are going to be for a short position, telling you to enter there, go short, buy puts, however you like to trade. And so when you see the take profit signals on the bottom of the candles, it's probably best to take a little bit, some, all. Of course, like I said before, it's up to you. Final and the most questions we get about what's on the chart here is what we call a drift. And we have a video that goes more in depth on our YouTube channel. If you want to, go to our YouTube channel, check it out. To kind of give you a brief overview and just to sum it up real quick, as you can probably tell, it visually helps you decide which direction the market's trending. So if you see over here on the left where the Momo bull signal is, this big green wave almost, right? And so it gets wider and wider and wider. It's going, so it's a really good position to go long in. Same thing with the bear signals. Once it starts to go yellow, orange, and red, the wider it gets, the stronger the direction is. Same thing with the long. So the wider it gets, the stronger the direction. It's kind of there just to help you decide what signals probably are best for you to get into. Maybe you want to wait till the drift and the candles start to come up out of this red zone right here and kind of flip over before you get in. That's of course up to you. So now we can move into the settings menu real quick, and then we'll go over the Discord channel. All right, so right here in the settings menu, you see that we have a trading experience. This will show you beginner, intermediate, and advanced, and default is going to be on intermediate whenever you get vision. And then beginner, intermediate, and advanced, obviously it's kind of self-explanatory. If you're a beginner, we recommend obviously staying on beginner. Tries to help beginners ride a position more for a little bit longer period of time. So maybe if you're at work or you're at the grocery store and maybe you're new to trading, plop it on the beginner mode. So as you see here on the beginner mode, if we slide this out of the way, now Vision is trying to ride a lot more of these trades for a little bit longer period of time. So it tries to help beginner traders not feel so anxious. And then so intermediate, kind of the same thing. It's going to try to get you in a little sooner, get you out a little faster. Some more take profit signals pop up as you see. And like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory. So if you know that you're a beginner trader, we recommend staying on beginner or intermediate mode. That's why they're there. If you're just trying it out and you have some trading experience, that's why it's on intermediate for default, because we think that's a really good starter if you do have some trading experience. And then of course advanced is advanced. It scalps a lot of trades sometimes, but as you see, like we're on the 1 minute chart, we've got a couple scalps in here where it didn't want to find its direction, and then you see that even on the 1 minute, it's riding through a lot of this stuff, telling you, hey, it's still bullish, so let's hang it. I mean, you see this big long spot here in the middle, you see this big gap up on the open here, and it rode it all the way up here to the top, and you see a couple of nice little trades right here. This is really awesome to see, especially on a 1 minute chart, because a lot of stuff, a lot of indicators that you see that are similar to Vision, they wouldn't be able to handle the 1 minute charts. A lot of them tell you that you have to stay on like a 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour chart, because their stuff just can't handle a 1 minute chart or a 5 minute chart or 15 sometimes. So jumping back into the settings menu here, we have the processing real-time flashing signals. And just to go over this real quick, because again it's on our YouTube channel a bunch, a lot of these signals you'll see when the chart is live and it's happening in real time, the indicator is thanking. Okay, so you'll see some of these signals will start to blink at you, kind of letting you know, hey, it's kind of going bullish here. We might want to look to get in here soon. And so it might not land on this candle that it popped up on. If it's blinking, it might come in on the next candle. Okay, so if you don't want it to blink on you, okay, you would turn that off, and it'll bring some of those in one candle later, as you see, because they're confirmed now. So it's not going to show you any signals, no blinking signals at all, until they are confirmed on the next candle. So a lot of people like it, a lot of people don't. I'm personally a fan of the blinking stuff because I like to try to live on the dangerous side and get in a little early sometimes, but that's up to you. And then of course you can turn off or on the drift, which again is the colored little waves you see there. And then if you want to, I know a lot of the AMC traders out there have something against the short side. So if you wanted to turn off all the bear signals and only have the bullish long signals and to take profits for them, you can. Okay, so if you see, we unchecked the box there. Now we only have bullish signals, so if we don't care about going short on anything or buying puts, that's perfect for you. Same thing with the bearish signals. So if we turn off the bull signals, we'll only have bearish signals, and we'll know when to buy puts on something, and we can kind of just ignore the bullish signals there. Okay, so the next thing on the settings menu is the stop loss. Okay, so we have it as a tile right now. If you turn it on the banner, it'll kind of float around here on the chart, kind of like the signals do now with the bullish and bearish signals. And it'll still tell you where to put your stop loss, and it'll kind of have an arrow on it. And it's a personal preference thing, whether you like the tile or the banner. I like both of them. I flip back and forth sometimes just to play around, but and then you can adjust your stop loss. So if you watch the value over here, as I raise my value up, that value will begin to change. Okay, so we have our percentage or pips, because this works on Forex as well, and crypto and futures and everything else while I'm at it. And we can also turn the stop loss off. If you don't want it to be there, that's up to you. You can turn it on and off. The signal start day, start month, start year, start hour, start minute. It's a really handy thing for people that are day trading a lot of the penny stocks and stuff. If something gaps up in the morning, like you see SPY did here, and there was some signals from the day before that are still running over into today, narrow the date up to today's date, like you see I have here. Now the signal will only start on that date that you have it set. So you can set it a week ago, you can set it yesterday, you can set it today. It's up to you. Like I said, it's for a lot of people that want to day trade the penny stocks, something you're not going to be watching until it pops up on scanners and runs $2 or $3 at least. Now you can get in there, narrow it down to just today, because you only care to see signals for today because it's the only time that thing has been running. So that really helps with a lot of the day trading penny stock guys. So whenever you get a hold of Vision, check it out, try it, play around with it, play around with all the settings. A lot of people are going to like a lot of different settings. We try to keep our menu small on here so nobody's really getting confused with anything. And down here at the bottom, we just did a video on this with that same 1.42 update video on our YouTube channel. So if you want to learn more about the alerts, watch that video. It kind of goes in a little bit more depth into it. But you can set alerts on your phone or on the desktop app here, and it'll tell you when there's a bull signal that comes up on the chart on whatever stock, crypto, Forex, futures that you want to watch. It'll tell you when there's a bear signal to take profit. You can see the list there. Yes, you can get mobile alerts on your phone, which is very, very handy for people that go to their day job every day, or work all the time, or go to the grocery store, or just out of the house all the time, and you're strictly mobile, or whatever the case may be. I have an Apple Watch, and these signals come in on my Apple Watch as well as my phone, but it's super handy to have that Apple Watch, and the signals just boom, ding, ding, and you sit there and you can say, okay, well, I'm waiting for a bull signal, but a bear signal came in. So you can ignore it and check back when you do get a bull signal, pull out your phone, place the trade, and now you can wait till the next signal you get on your Apple Watch or your smartwatch, your phone, whatever, and then go exit that trade. So the alerts are very handy, really, for everybody. I use them, even though I sit in front of the computer and trade right here. I still use them, because if I'm on one thing and there's another over there that I'm not watching currently right in front of me, it'll ding me right here, pop up a little pop-up in the screen, and so I have to know about it. There's no way I can miss it. So with that being said, with a brief overview, I trying to be quick here, so I'm not wasting a bunch of your time going over this. And so we'll jump into the Discord now, and I'll show you what else you get when you subscribe to Vision. So this is our Discord trading group. As you see, we have a number of channels in here. This is the welcome screen. If you've never been in our Discord before, you'll see this. when you jump in there. The Discord only is $20 a month, and I'm telling you, it's a steal, and I'll show you why. In our Discord only package, we probably have close to $400 worth of stuff in value. As you see below it right here, you get this link. This takes you to the subscription for Vision itself. With the Vision subscription, you get the whole Discord as well. All right, we'll just go down the list here. Right here in our public channels, this is, if you're not subscribed, these are the channels that you kind of get to play around with, and you'll see right here we have a $1,000 monthly giveaway that we do. A bunch of people chatting in here. You can come in, chat, ask questions. Everybody's friendly in here, by the way. There's no trolls like there is on Facebook in here. We don't tolerate that. Next up is something we've been working on a lot, and everybody's loving it. A lot of people are making a lot of profits on it, which is a day trading scanner. All right, so we start here. 5 minutes till opening bell. A little message about some stuff. Market hours open. Until at market open, it starts to hit you with the tickers that have been doing the best, usually in pre-market, some that's doing the worst, and this will just run all day. We are working on the pre-market and the after-hours side of it right now. I encourage you to come into our Discord, check it out, watch it. It won't be in the public channels for very much longer. So with that, we'll move into next channel, which is the profit share channel. Bunch of people in here just sharing their profits that they've made with Vision or the Vision Discord signals. Next channel, free watch list. If you want to get some good signals, some good alerts, good watch list, they do it all in here. We have quite a few people that post good stuff in here every day. So again, I encourage you to join the Discord. We'll leave a link to that in the description of this video, by the way. And it's all over our Facebook group. If you ask about it, you'll find it. Crypto watch list, same deal. Bunch of good guys in there and girls that are posting a bunch of good stuff in there for crypto. The announcements, pretty self-explanatory. This is where we announce new updates and new features and stuff. Support channel, this is for Vision subscribers only. If you need any support, any help with anything, any questions, you can come here and ask them, and also email us, but this is much faster, much easier. And then down here is when we start to get into the subscriber only side. So if you remember, if you go back here to the welcome page, you see right here the VisionAlgo /premium. That is for this Discord only section. This is from the Benzinga stuff all the way down here to the bottom of the subscriber only stuff. So if we jump into Benzinga news, bunch of news flying in every day, all day, even on the weekends, bunch of good stuff. If you want to know what's happening, so here's some stuff about the Tesla Model S Plaid, the special edition that they're coming out with. So if you want to know some stuff, I mean, you see the last one there says 11:14 p.m. Comes in all day, all night, all weekend, doesn't stop, lets you know about what important stuff is going on that has to do with anything that you're trading. And so I'll show you something real quick. Like I said before, we probably have close to $400 worth of stuff, maybe more, in our Discord, and you get it all for $20 a month, just the Discord, not Vision the indicator that you see behind here. Some people get that confused, so I have to say it. Not the indicator, but if you just want these signals and these channels, that's just the $20 a month side. So I'll show you guys real quick. If we bring up this is Benzinga Pro. If you wanted to go get this news yourself, you would have to pay for the basic plan $99 a month. Okay, so like I said, $20 a month with that alone is a steal. And then of course we have underneath that we have Benzinga Movers, which this is kind of similar to the news channel, but it tells you why it's moving instead of just telling you the news that's coming out. So if you see something like, on Tesla is going up tomorrow because of the Tesla Model S Plaid news, it'll pop in here and say why it's moving, why did that news affect it in the way it did. And so it's nice little, a lot of good news posts in here, a lot of good little blog posts as well from Benzinga employees. And underneath that we have the premium signals. So the first one we start off with, option signals. And so these fly in here all day telling you what people are buying the most of when it comes to options. So of course you're going to see a lot of SPY in here, a lot of QQQs. Reason being is because they are the tickers that have the most options traded on them daily. So, but there's also a lot of good stuff in here. Like when everybody was booming AMC, right, to $70, AMC was flying in here. The sentiment, whether it's bullish or bearish, and it tells you, like the SPY signal right here. We see it says SPY, and it tells you the sentiment is bearish. The signal is a put. Strike price 380, expiration date that everybody is buying the most of, 7/16. And then in the sweep, of course, the sweep means that they're just hitting the market order. And so the open interest, and it tells you the volume. This is probably one of my favorite channels in the Discord. And so we'll go to the next one here, which is swing trading signals. We got a Facebook. I was actually in this trade right here. I'll admit I didn't check anything. I didn't check the chart. I said, okay, send it. I blindly went into this trade. I went and bought Facebook calls. I'm not a big share person. I like to use that leverage of the options, so I went and bought calls. I believe I bought them for $3.50. Target price was $3.40. As you see here, the price was currently $3.01. Target was $3.40. Stop loss was $2.99. The date was 5/11, as you see here at the top. Go to your Facebook chart right now. Go back to 5/11 and see how high Facebook has gotten since this swing trading signal when it told you to buy at $301.50. I don't know about you, but I took profit on it. So there's a bunch of swing trading signals that come in through here. Not obviously, not as much as the option signals and stuff. So don't expect there to be 100 swing trading signals a day. They're quality swing trades. So on to the next channel. Oh, you guys have probably already heard about it in the Facebook group or in the Discord if you're already in there. But I do daily option trading live here in the Discord. And then as you see right here below the swing trading channel, you see that some of our moderators are live right now trading Forex. And sometimes we have some people that go live trading crypto as well. So if you're not in the Discord and you want to learn how to trade options, you want to trade options with us, you want to just hang out and chat, ask questions, come in there. We go live a little bit before market open every day. We stay live till about 10:30 our time, which is about 11:30 market time. So you can come in, hang out, ask questions, trade with us, throw out some good ideas our way. Of course, we love ideas. We love hearing about stuff that maybe we probably missed because we're watching something over here and you're over there. So everybody helping everybody. The next stuff here is the subscriber only side. This is where you're going to see the Trader Help channel. We have a ton of people in the group. Like I said, everybody's real nice to each other. Everybody's trying to help out the next guy. And so if you have any questions and maybe you don't see one of us live, you can come in here, ask your question. Pretty quickly it'll get answered by somebody that's really knowledgeable about trading. And if they can't answer the question, they'll tag somebody that does know the answer to your question, and they'll quickly jump in there and help you out. And then we have the subscriber chat. Same thing as the public chat. This is just, subscriber only side. And then we have the options chat. Everybody's sharing news and thoughts in here and chatting back and forth. Crypto chat, swing trading chat, Forex chat, futures chat, OTC chat, auto trading bots chat, which a lot of people have linked Vision to some auto trading crypto bots that are out there on the web that you can get into. Hook it to Vision, and then it runs 24/7, linked up to Vision on the signals, and the signals alert that bot that you hooked it to and tells it when to place the trade, when to get out of the trade, etc., etc. So if you want to know more about this, once you get in here to the Discord, once you're subscribed to Vision, you can jump in here to the auto trading bot side, talk to the guys and girls in there. They'll help you out. They'll tell you which direction you want to go. There's a few different bots out there that you can link to Vision, all good stuff. And of course, this is just, like it says, Mod Lounge for all the moderators in Discord, and a little channel for just us moderators as well. So again, that's to sum it up. There's a lot of stuff, again, with the indicator that you can go in there and play with once you get a hold of it. And like I said, there's a lot of stuff in the Discord that once you get in there and you get Vision, whether it's the premium side or the indicator side that comes with the whole Discord, a lot of stuff in there that you can poke around at as well. So hopefully now you see the value in the Discord for sure. It's like I said, probably close to $400 with all those swing trading signals, the option signals, the news from Benzinga, the why it's moving from Benzinga, all the subscriber chats, all the live streams, all the help you get from the whole group. And then, of course, the value of the indicator kind of speaks for itself. It helps you with your entry and exit points on the trades you're taking, whether it's stocks, Forex, crypto, futures. So if you want to get a hold of Vision, again, I'll have the link to the Discord here in the description of this video. You can come in here to the Discord on the welcome menu. You can choose between the Discord premium side or the indicator, which comes with the Discord premium. I hope this answers everybody's questions. Again, my name is Dylan. You can find me in the Facebook group under that name. I'm always posting in there. Or you can find me here in the Discord as well under VisionAlgo Dylan. If you have any more questions, please just reach out to me.